it's Ashley.
And Jamie.
And today we're going to be reacting to
BtoB's Beep Beep. Beep Beep. Beep Beep.
Yeah.
Oh,
we've seen both of their trailers and I liked the first one. Did not like the second one.
I did not like the second one.
But yeah, because it was just girls.
And their booties.
And
booty shorts.
So
that would look like underwear.
We're going to go ahead and watch this video. So we're just going to start.
Let's do this.
Boom.
Ooh. Your foot hanging out. We do. Oh yeah. Sunday. I can never say his name. I know it starts with
He's
H.
handsome.
He is. He's a very big, pretty boy. Oh my god, he has so much stuff in this song. Oh wow. He's like... There's the leader. I can't pronounce his name either.
He looks so different.
I know. They all do.
Uh-oh.
He's like... Oh.
He's on him. He looks so different.
He does. It's a good different.
Yeah.
Like he grew up. I love Ilhoon with blonde hair. Oh my god.
No. Oh. You getting a little jealous?
We're gonna have some problems.
Oh, please, please, no, please, no, please, no, please. Oh.
Oh. Oh.
They're in suits.
God, he's like an angel from heaven.
Oh. Peniel
He is
so
a beautiful
handsome.
boy. Sandra does.
Peniel is so handsome in the suit. The little cars are so cute.
Love you.
Oh. They crush the little toy cars. Oh.
Oh! I can't even hit that. I love it!
Oh!
Alright. Like, this is different from their other videos because, like, this is funny. Like, it made me laugh. Most of the other videos, like, wow and insane.
And it's just like...
Thriller. It's just funny.
Like, and like the other ones, you're just like staring at them and all their amazing dance moves.
Right.
Like, they had some really good dance moves in this one, but it was more like...
Trying to
them,
get
like,
people.
just at the camera.
Right. Then there's Ilhoon and all his beautifulness.
Dang, don't even compliment Peniel's look. But okay.
Dude, Peniel looked good in that suit.
I know, right?
I like when I see their comebacks because they keep growing as artists.
And they change.
Right.
And they come out with new stuff and they just... I love the little toy cars.
Right?
I love
Then
how
they crash.
I love how he crashed. They both crashed and they get out of the car and he's like choking them. I love that. That was hilarious.
Chain sunshine. It starts with a C. Hit that high note.
Ooh.
Gave me goosebumps.
Yeah.
Yeah. It was a good video. I liked it. It was
Yeah.
funny. It made me giggle.
My favorite part was the little mini car part.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like the guys when they're all around the piano. It's
Yeah, that part too.
sexy. Alright, so subscribe if you like the video. Give it a thumbs up.
Make sure to comment down below what your favorite part of this video was. We would
Follow
like to
us
know.
on Twitter, Instagram. We have separate Twitters and then the join Twitter and then 2 separate Instagrams.
And
We will see you next time for another video.
yeah.
Bye. I love you, little home.